Singapore's government agencies have been working to energize and support an enabling environment for innovation to take place here. And we are now seeing the fruits of the efforts in the last, I think, 2 decades. We have seen a vibrant technology startup ecosystem that's been sort of seeded for some time now, I think, in a takeoff phase.
Singapore's position as a growing regional hub for innovation brought together artists and business professionals at the Google Big 10 event as they discussed the key ingredients needed to enable and cultivate a culture of innovation. Guest of Honour Chairman of IDA Ms. Yong Ying Yi opened the event by highlighting the Singapore government's role in encouraging open data and proactive sharing of data sets to spur innovation.
One of the ideas of Big Tent really is to get together as many voices as we can, whether it's from government agencies, from journalists, from social entrepreneurs, from companies, and get them to air some of their opinions about the importance of the internet and innovation and the digital economy, and bring that under one roof.
There are many disadvantages to being small, but being able to bring the whole ecosystem into one big tent is our strength and advantage. There is no other nation in the world better placed than Singapore to unify policy, technology, and industry towards being a smart nation.
I think the general mentality of most people in Singapore or kind of in this environment is really about taking risk conservation, not taking risks, don't fail. And the reality is startups are all about making mistakes. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you succeed, but it's part of that process. So without a kind of a healthy funding environment out there and seeding startups, people are never going to take that risk.
They have to know that being an entrepreneur is not as comfortable as working in a big bank or at a consulting company. So you get dirty, go out to the market, tell everyone about it, get feedback, because it's a lot of trial and error. You have to go through a lot of trial and error to become successful.
As part of a continued effort to encourage innovation, Ms. Yong Ying Yi also introduced a new initiative by IDA, the IDA Labs.
IDA sees the data explosion as a very big opportunity for Singapore. IDA is therefore developing a tinkering environment by setting up IDA Labs. We want to encourage everyone, regardless of age or roles, to try tinkering with technologies. These IDA Labs will start off as collaborative spaces for our own staff, industry participants. We hope to complement other labs in universities, research institutes and companies to enable people to get hands-on tinkering.
The whole idea is put people that have some relatively common interests and then get out of the way. But I don't think it's a matter of staying completely out of the way and hoping for the best. So my sense of it would be create the square edges of a major box, and then once all those ingredients are roughly within an environment, get out of the way.
This data explosion in a flourishing environment for innovation is also paving the way for more accessible data analytics among businesses as compared to before.
Traditionally, we've actually been doing more of the ethnography, so the qualitative research, and the data is a more recent piece that we wanted to try because we felt that we wanted to make the whatever findings we got qualitatively more robust with the data.
It's easier to analyze data, it's easier to capture data, it's much easier to track everything. So if you're in a consumer-based business, it's very easy to track like the consumer behavior, which allows you to twist all the little screws on your business model that the users can profit the most of your product offerings, and then you address the right customers.
In closing, Ms. Yong Ying Yi expressed her hopes for the new generation of innovators.
I would like to urge our budding innovators to have the resilience and the courage to seek differential competitive advantage.
Both speakers and participants took away valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities that come with the pursuit for innovation, supported by the IDA to provide a conducive environment for a smart nation.